Today we're testing for the first time a new kind of air turbine that uses wheels of magnets as gears to engage and disengage on axis separate from the axis of the fins of the air turbine itself. And it shows a pulley arrangement, and someone suggested we use levers, like an emergency brake in a car, and that might be better to lift this up in an arc from the disengaged position, I'd say 2.5 inches here, to the engaged position where the air turbine is turning the main power set of generators. And this one also has a embedded generator in the air turbine itself that is meant to be provide a trickle charge when it's disengaged and the vehicle is parked. So you see the Venturi tube, compression of the air, and the balance of the magnets make this like a Ferris-wheel principle, like slightly, any kind of breeze will like move, you know, spin this. It isn't like it takes a lot of energy, a lot of power. And the function of these, besides being gears and clutches, is to be the flywheel effect. That is, at around 300 or 400 revolutions per minute, it reaches a point where the inertia of the magnets on the outside, which provide most of the weight of this whole apparatus, start to carry it around, irrespective. And with number 8 rather than the number 4 that you'll see that I have ball bearings, you know, the minimal friction ball bearings, it can spin for minutes after it's been released from blocked from air, or so on and so forth. So this is to provide, you know, 2 of them, one where the bumper once was on fuel cars, and once where the radiator once was on fuel cars. So, you know, about 30 inches, 36 inches in the front, 2 air intakes. The appearance of the vehicle doesn't have to be that different from what we're used to, but it's radically different because it's natural energy formerly wasted, the wind generated by the vehicle moving through space, that's been wasted throughout history and actually fought as an enemy. There's not an enemy. Wind resistance is now being treated as a friend. It's being taken in, transformed, creating magnetic generated energy to provide energy to the rear hub wheels, which themselves are a radical new invention, you know, that use far, far less electricity than a traditional electric motor, let alone a fuel car. And, you know, so it makes a nice complement and removes the battery problem, the lesser of the 2 evils. This one doesn't have any evil, you know. It's an all-plastic light vehicle with no parts that wear. There's no friction between these 2 wheels. And a simple way with no lot of, you know, slave computers, like slave to measure the air amount of fuel in your air and so on and so forth. going almost at flywheel speed. It's going very fast. But this one isn't keeping up. And look, 285.